Bybit has just updated the way liquidation is being calculated on their platform, and this is a very good news for a lot of traders. If you are trading on Bybit, this is a very good news for you. And why is that? This is because this new method of calculating liquidation that has been updated on Bybit will help you to delay or even avoid getting liquidated on the futures trading page. Yes, to help you to delay or totally avoid getting liquidated on the futures trading page. Now, what is this new calculation? How is it done? And what do you need to know about it? Now, let me show you. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, it says example impact comparison old logic versus new logic. So this is a calculation comparing how liquidation was calculated before and the new way it will be calculated now. Now you can see right here, this is an example of a trade that you want to take. So let's say, for example, you have wallet balance before opening of $10,604.05 right there. So this is the amount you have in your wallet before going for a trade. Now you can see the symbol you want to trade, let's assume is BTC USDT. And let's say, for example, you want to long. So the side you want to trade is long. That's when you want to long BTC. And then the size of BTC you want to long is one contract right there. And then you can see the entry price. So let's assume you are entering the trade at $100,000. And then the leverage you pick, let's say the leverage is 10x leverage. And then the rate, means maintenance margin rate is 0.5%. And then the takeout fee rate is 0.055%. And if your collateral value is 1, then this is the amount you will have after you open that trade. So after you open that trade, you have $10,549.50 USDT. So that's the amount you have for that trade. Now, after you've entered the trade with all of this information right here and the trade is going on, let's now assume that the trade goes down to $90,000. Remember, you are longing and you entered at $100,000. So if the trade goes down to $90,000, so we assume that, okay, maybe $90,000 will be because $90,000 will be the normal liquidation price. After you use all of this information, $90,000 will be the liquidation price for you if you enter with this. So let's assume that your liquidation price is $90,000 right there. And it goes down to like $90,000. So it means that this calculation right here is how it was calculated before your liquidation is calculated, but this is the new way it is calculated. So let me explain. I know you might not understand, but I'll break it down to you one by one. Now you can see right here, it says IM. Now IM means initial margin. So in case you don't know, initial margin means the amount you are using to enter the trade, your own margin. That's the meaning, initial margin. And then you can see right here, the way it is calculated is simple. So it's calculated by using the price at which you enter the trade multiplied by the number of contracts you are trading divided by your leverage. That's what it is. So you are entering at $100,000, one contract, and then 10 is 10x leverage right there. That's the leverage you are using. And then you also see right here, you add it to this calculation too. You add it to $100,000, which is the price you are entering the trade, multiplied by your contract. Then you open another bracket right here. You have your contract 1 BTC that you are trading minus right here. You put another 1 right here. So this is 1 divided by 10 leverage. So this one is your contract divided by your leverage, 1 divided by 10 right there. And then you multiply it by your taker fee rate. So taker fee rate is fixed right there. That's the rate. So that's 0.055%. Now, if you calculate all of this, you'll be getting $10,049. So that's the amount you're using to enter the trade. Now, the next one you want to calculate is your maintenance margin right there. Now, your maintenance margin is like the percentage of the position value you must keep in your account to avoid liquidation. That is the amount you must have in your wallet to avoid liquidation. That's the meaning. That's just the meaning. The percentage of your value, the percentage of the amount you are using to trade that you must have in your wallet so as to avoid liquidation. So if you have anything less than that, then it means that you are going to be liquidated. That's the meaning. So if you come here for maintenance margin, this is how it is calculated. So for this one, it is giving us 549.5 right there. That's the meaning. And how it is calculated is this. So you have your $100,000 right there, which is your entry price. You multiply it by your size, and then you multiply it by the maintenance margin rate. Maintenance margin rate too is also fixed right here. It is 0.5. So and then you add it to this next calculation right here where you have your entry price, which is $100,000, multiplied by your contract, the contract you are trading, which is 1. Then you multiply it by what is in this bracket too, which is 1 minus 1 divided by your leverage. That's 10. 10 is your leverage, don't forget. Then you multiply it again by your taker fee rate. So taker fee rate, this is it. So you multiply it. So what you get is 549.5. So you have your initial margin and you have your maintenance margin. So once you do that right there, you check your unrealized PNL. Now, unrealized PNL is straightforward. It is the current price minus the entry price. So the current price is $90,000, because don't forget I said we're assuming that, okay, that's come down to $90,000 right there, and you entered at $100,000. So whatever you get, you multiply it by your size right there, the size. So that means that you are currently losing $10,000. So you get that again, and then you get your margin balance. So margin balance is now calculating $10,549. That is the amount you have after opening the trade in your wallet. You multiply it by your contract, which is 1. And you subtract whatever amount you have right here, which is $10,000. So you subtract it. Once you subtract it, you have 549.5, which is the same thing as your maintenance margin right here. Now, the next one is your initial margin ratio. Now, the way this one is calculated is the same thing. This one, you calculate it as $10,049, which is your initial margin. You divide it by your margin balance. So this is margin balance 549.5, and then you multiply it by 100. So that's to get percentage, because you are calculating it in terms of percentage. So whatever percentage you get right here is 1,828.84%. And then for you to know your maintenance margin ratio, don't forget I said maintenance margin is what you must have in your wallet so as not to get liquidated. And once your maintenance margin gets to 100%, you get liquidated. So if you want to know whether it is on 100%, you divide your maintenance margin by your margin balance. That's what you do right there. Your maintenance margin by your margin balance, that's what you get, and you multiply it by 100. So this 549.5 divided by 549.5 is 1. You multiply it by 100, that's 100%. So once you get to 100%, you get liquidated. So in summary, for those of you who might not understand what I've just done right here, this $100,000 that they are using right here is why you are getting liquidated at $90,000. But this new calculation that Bybit will be doing, instead of using this $100,000 as your entry price to your calculations, to calculate your initial margin, to calculate your maintenance margin and so on, they will be using the mark price. That is the mark price, the current price of the market. That's what they will be using. So that means that your liquidation will keep changing. As the market is going down, instead of your liquidation to be fixed at that $90,000, as the market is going down against you, your liquidation will also be going down. So that was like a new update Bybit has just introduced. And if you come here and check it on the new calculation how it is calculated, you see that everywhere you have $100,000 as the entry price right here, it is replaced by $90,000. So you can see it is replaced by $90,000 here, $90,000 here, $90,000. This is for the current price. So you can see for everywhere you see it, it is replaced by $90,000, and the initial margin is different, the maintenance ratio is different. So every time the price of Bitcoin keeps on going down, your leverage also will be reducing. So your leverage will be reducing. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So it is a way for you to avoid getting liquidated or to delay your liquidation. It's as simple as that. So you can see right here, the unrealized P&L right here is the same thing. And then you see that once you calculate your margin balance, you get 549.5. So to get your MMR, because your MMR is the main thing you need to know whether you get liquidated or not. Because once your MMR gets 100%, don't forget to get liquidated. So to get your MMR, just take your maintenance margin, which is 499.5, and divide it by your margin balance, which is 549.5. So for this one, you get 90%. That's because we use the mark price, or Bybit use the mark price to calculate everything for you. So once they use the current price or the mark price to calculate your maintenance margin for you, it means that it will be reducing. Your liquidation price will be reducing. That's just the meaning. So you can see right here, after calculating this, it will give us 90.9%. So if it keeps on going down, this percentage too will not be getting to 100%. It will be getting further from 100% right there. I hope you understand. So that's just the meaning. And this new calculation right here is what Bybit will be using to calculate your liquidation price. So in summary, it is a method or strategy to help you avoid or delay liquidation. So I hope you've been able to understand this right now. So it is just an update that you just need to know. You don't need to do anything on your Bybit account. You don't need to adjust anything. It's just for you to let you know and be updated about what is happening on Bybit right now. So before I go, if you want to learn how to do futures trading or spot trading on Bybit, I have a complete tutorial on that. I'll put the links to those videos in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.